Hey guys, Maki's here, and today I will be taking a look at the ASA PBT Doubleshot keycaps manufactured by Akko. Akko has recently been releasing new products tailored to newcomers into the custom mechanical keyboard hobby, with items ranging from switches to keycaps, and also launched a budget custom TKL called the Mod 001 not that long ago. Upon arrival, the keycaps come in a box with Akko's branding and a depiction of the colorway you purchased. Depending on which colorway you purchased, you may receive accent kits apart from the main base kit. The all-in-one kit can cover a variety of popular layouts, from 60s, 65s, 75s, up to 100% keyboards, and also includes 7U spacebar support. Inside the box, the majority of the keycaps come in a nice plastic storage case that keeps each keycap in place, which I think is a huge plus and one of the best storage solutions to come with the keycap set, although the keycaps are slightly annoying to take out. The case uses magnets to keep it from opening, and each set also includes a free wire keycap puller. For the specific colorway I got, there is an extra box containing other accent keys that cannot fit inside the main tray. For the profile itself, ASA is a new profile created by Akko as a hybrid between OEM along with profiles similar to SA. They have the same sculpt as OEM or Cherry profile keycaps, but instead of a cylindrical top and more squarish keycap shape, ASA utilizes spherical tops and a slightly more rounder keycap shape. I would personally say these keycaps are like a byproduct of OEM and capped. The legends are nicely done and are clearly visible and overall crisp. Akko borrows a font similar to those found on other SA profile keycaps and similar, but also have a few of their own unique modifiers such as their tab and caps lock keys. The finish on these keycaps are relatively smooth with a hint of texture, unlike cat keycaps which are completely sleek to the touch. In terms of inconsistencies, there are barely any that are noticeably present, and the only one that is the most jarring is the pause break key. The legends on these are, in my opinion, a lot better than the Dama key set I reviewed previously. The keycap set also comes with a few novelties for additional customization. For thickness, they are pretty much similar, if not equal, to that of GMK and similar key sets. The inner layer of the keycap is flush with the outer layer, unlike PBT Doubleshot keycaps or higher profile Doubleshot keycaps like SA and MT3. With Doubleshot PBT, you can expect to see parts of the stem not completely molded, but this is not an issue and is done on purpose during manufacturing, and it does not affect the fitment or rigidity of the affected keycaps. I also have not experienced any warped keys in the two sets I own. In terms of comfort and feel of the ASA sculpt, I actually really enjoy these as it combines the comfortable sculpt of OEM or Cherry, but instead has a larger typing surface as well as a mild spherical scoop. Of course, this is my personal opinion and these may not be your cup of tea. These keycaps can be good for those who have bigger fingers and find OEM or Cherry keycaps a bit too small, but still like the angle of their sculpt. I mostly use Cherry profile keycaps, but because of the similar sculpt, these are easy to use and don't pose any challenge in getting used to them. The height of these keycaps are also not difficult to get used to for those who don't like high profile keycaps. I personally dislike using SA profile, and MT3 are the tallest keycaps I would use, so the ASA keycaps are at a good medium for me. Here is a quick sound test with my recently built stacked acrylic Alice from SM Keyboards. I also have another sound test posted on my channel that I will link where I used my other ASA keycap set. Overall, for $60, I believe these keycaps are definitely worth it. Akko has a bunch of other popular themes available and will probably produce more in the future. Each kit comes with at least 158 keys minimum, with some colorways coming with alternate kits adding more value to an already affordable package. Each kit is easily compatible with popular layouts and also offer cherry profile versions if you're not a fan of the ASA profile. I hope you all enjoyed this review and thank you guys for watching. Peace.